are the labels you want to use. Make sure it says inkjet or laser depending on what type of printer you have. So it says print to the edge, round labels, 120 labels. This cost me like $8.99. Professional quality gloss for printing vivid colors. Easy 8x5x11 format, no special set. Go to free, easy to use templates. Use templates, AGT. 2 inches round, actual size. 12 labels per sheet, and this is the print to edge gloss white. Then it says garage sale up. For more great labels, visit us at www.garagesalepup.com. So yeah guys, so stay tuned to see how this turns out. Okay guys, these are my labels. This is what it looks like. It was upside down, but yeah, this is what it looks like. And here's my printer. So what you want to do is and yeah, you want to make sure that you get a depending on what type of printer you have, make sure that your labels are inkjet or laser. If you have a laser printer, then make sure your label of an inkjet, make sure it's inkjet. For example, this is what I mean. Make sure it says inkjet if you have like a regular printer like me. So what I'm going to do is, first thing I'm going to do is take out all this regular paper so there won't be no confusion. Well, I guess I put this up here. And then I'm going to put this in. They say you're supposed to put it in face down. So I guess I put it in face down like this. Why is this not working? Okay. Face down like that. Guys, wish me luck. So is this closed? Yes, it's closed. Alright, so now I'm going to finish trying to print this off. And yeah, here goes. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a video on how to make your own labels from your house. So first thing you want to do is go to Amazon. And you want to type in, yeah, this right here. Print to the edge labels. And you can get whatever kind of labels you like. You can get like square labels, circle labels. I have the circle labels as I show in the beginning of this video, or I might show later on in this video. But yeah guys, and I got 120 labels for like $8, but you can get some square labels like these, or you can get circle ones, and so you get 600 labels for $10. So it just whatever you would like, it's whatever you prefer. So first thing we're going to do is actually make a label. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to And I'm going to go to the template. So depending on what kind of labels you buy, that determines what website you be going to. So if you buy labels from Garage Pub, then you go to their website. If you buy labels from Avery, then you go to theirs. But I bought mine from Garage Pub. So on the thing that you buy, it tells you what template to use. Mine says AGC. So I'm just going to find AGC, which is right here. So I'm just going to use this. So available Microsoft Word, double Photoshop, Illustrator, click to download this version. So yeah, I'm just going to use this template. Here's my work is here. Okay, so it gives you the version to do it in. So I guess I should have went to that first. So basically, I'm just going to take this. Okay, I'm just going to take this and drag everything on this page so everything can be the same. So I'm just going to rotate that, and then I'm going to stretch it out to make it the color. Well, actually, I think I'm going to I think I want to do some white logos. I don't think I want to do this pink because I feel like the white would be better. So I'm just going to get rid of that, and I'm going to get a white background. So what I'm going to do is just do a new one. I'm just going to choose white. Then I'm just going to take this and put this here. And then I'm just going to rotate that. Just like that. So that is how I'm going to do that. But I'm going to put this, hold on, I'm going to put this above that, like that. So that is what it looks like. So now I'm going to take this, and I'm going to drag this as well over to the new one. Just like that. And I'm going to place each thing in each circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to keep duplicating this layer. Hey guys, so I'm doing this for the third time. Hopefully the third time's a charm. Let's see if we can get this to work. we're done. So let's look. Guys, now these are a tad too big. Now this first row is, that first row might as well just be perfect. Well, not exactly, but it's really, really close. Now this middle row is, it's almost dead on it. As you can see, it's like a slightly, just slightly.